Good afternoon. What you are looking at fits in the palm of your hand. A complete biological laboratory built to fly to space and come back. At Spacetide Holdings, our mission is simple: to make science fiction nonfiction. Today I want to show you how the smallest lab in the world could help humanity live beyond Earth. Let us start with where we are headed. By 2040, the moon is expected to become a place where people do not just visit, they live and work. Estimates point to as many as 1,000 residents on the lunar surface. Humanity is shifting from visiting space to staying in it, and a permanent base changes every rule we have relied on. Because on the moon, there is no resupply from Earth on demand. A permanent base has to recycle almost everything. Air, water, food, and nutrients all have to move in a closed loop. Carbon dioxide back into oxygen, waste back into fertilizer, water recovered and reused. This is a bioregenerative life support system, and without it, a long-term stay is simply impossible. So what closes that loop? Microorganisms, and in particular, microalgae. Euglena and cyanobacteria convert carbon dioxide into oxygen, recover water and nutrients, and at the same time produce nutrient-dense, edible biomass, with 10 to 20 times the productivity of land crops. On the right you can see a shakurage, or nostoc commune, growing over 12 days. The same organisms that regenerate life support also feed the crew. One system, two payoffs. We have proven this on Earth. We run continuous cultivation in flat-panel photobioreactors, convert wastewater and even urine into nutrients, and automate the process to minimize crew time. But Earth is not enough. In 2025, we sent a 98-gram, self-contained module called LunaGlena to the moon, aboard a Space Mission 2, the world's first attempt at culturing microalgae on the lunar surface. To truly validate this, we have to run the experiment in space. That brings us to Aoba. Aoba is a returnable satellite, the ELSR-100 by elevation space, and it carries our experiment, called EUG-R. The mission is 3 simple steps. Grow our microalgae in orbit, observe and record their growth using IDDK's microimaging device, and then return the capsule and analyze the cells back on Earth. Launch is planned for 2027, with sample return in 2028, delivered together with our partners, Space Gnome Lab, Leave a Nest, Elevation Space, and IDDK. Here is the payload itself. EUG-R is a self-contained cell culture lab, around 100 grams, palm-sized, and built from consumer-grade parts. It rehydrates dormant cells, injects the culture medium, illuminates them, and images the growth through IDDK's MID device. From this, we expect to learn how microgravity affects growth, composition, and gene expression, data that matters both for feeding people in space and for human health here on Earth. This is only the beginning. The next results will come home from orbit, so please stay tuned. At Spacetide Holdings, together with our partners, we are turning science fiction into nonfiction. Thank you.